Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I am here, your science teacher from Ismailia Youth Services School. Let's start our unit number 4, topic healthcare. Introduction. Understand about healthcare that we need to look after our bodies so we can be healthy and strong. In this unit, healthcare, we will learn about the healthcare, how we take care of our health and how we get healthy lifestyle. So in this unit, we learn about healthcare that we need to look after our bodies so we can be healthy and strong. I have a question. What can happen if we eat too little food? What can happen if we eat too little food? Too little food? Yes, we will become sick and unhealthy. Right answer. And what about when we eat too much food? When we eat too much food, what will happen? Yes, we will become also sick and unhealthy when we eat too much food. Both conditions are not good for our health. When we eat too much food and when we eat little food. Both conditions are not good for our health. So in this unit, we will learn about the how we take care our health and how we get healthy and strong. Understand? In this unit, we will learn about healthcare that we need to look after our bodies so we can be healthy and strong. Healthy and strong. Why do we need to eat healthy food? Why do we need to eat healthy food? Why we need it? Why we eat healthy food? For example, just as a car, just as a car needs petrol to run. Look at this car. How this car moves? This car moves with the help of petrol. Just as a car needs petrol to run, our body too needs fuel. Healthy food is the fuel which gives us energy to work. Got my point? I have given you example. Just as a car needs petrol to run, same as our body needs fuel. Fuel? Fuel? Food. Food is fuel. A car food is fuel. And what is fuel? Petrol. Car food is fuel. And what is fuel? Fuel is petrol. And what about our fuel? What about our fuel? Our fuel is food. Our fuel is food. Our body too needs fuel. Healthy food is the fuel which gives us energy to work. Got my point? Just as a car needs petrol to run, look at this car. This car needs petrol as you have at your home car or a motorbike. So how that run? With the help of petrol. And petrol is the fuel of the car, motorbike, for the motorbike. Same as our body too needs fuel. And what is the fuel of our body? Our body fuel is healthy food. Healthy food is the fuel which gives us energy to work. Energy? What is energy? Okay, energy. Energy. The ability to do work is called energy. Here is the definition of energy. The ability to do work is called energy. What do you think about the ability? Ability, power. Ability means power. The power to do work is called energy. The power to do work is called energy. And from where we get this power? We get this power from our food. How we get energy? We get energy with our food. Food gives us energy. Food gives energy for doing any work. Look at this picture. In this picture, I am showing you some examples of energy. How we use energy. We use energy for playing, running, walking, cycling, cooking, enjoying. He is using tool. He is walking with his pet animal, dog, and a man playing football. They all needs energy. They all needs energy. We all need energy. And from where we get energy? We get energy from our food. We get energy from our food. Energy. The ability to do work is called energy. Ability, power. Ability, power. The power to do work is called energy. Got my point? I am telling you here about from where we get energy. So we get energy from our food. But it is very compulsory that we eat just healthy food. Healthy food? Look at this. Look at this plate. Wow. Wow, I like all the food which given in this plate. I like fruits, vegetables, meat, fish, chicken, beef, eggs, nuts. Look at this. Bread, cake, grains. I like all the things. I hope you all like this. I hope because these all are healthy food. These all are healthy food. Human beings need energy to work. Why we need energy? My question is this: why we need energy? So as a human being, and we all are human being, you know very well now, we all are human being. I told you in unit number 1, we are human being. So as a human being, we need energy to work. As a human being, we need energy to work. We need energy to work. And from where we get this energy? We get energy from our food. By which food? Healthy food. So you must always eat healthy food. Healthy food. Look at this plate. These all food items are healthy food. Fruits, vegetables, meat, bread, grains. All foods are healthy food. Look at this picture. Look at the line. Food gives us energy to work, think and play. I define it more. Human being need energy to work, but more clear definition, food gives us energy to work. But we need energy for doing any type of work and think. What do you think? You are thinking. So how you thinking? Because you have energy. And from where you get energy? Because you all have taken your breakfast, so you all taken energy. Okay, which energy you all taking? Think and play and play and play. Okay, now eating fresh food is good for us. Eating fresh food is good for us. Eating fresh food is good for us. One more important line. Always eat fresh food. Is good for us. No need of preserved food. Which type of pizza food? Sometimes you eaten pizza food like donuts. So try to eat just fresh food because eating fresh food is good for us. Fresh food, and the fresh food examples are fresh fruits, fresh vegetables. Always eat fresh food which is good for us. Fresh and healthy food help us to grow strong and healthy. Fresh and healthy food. Fresh and healthy food help us to grow strong and healthy. Grow? Grow? What is the meaning of grow? Do you know about grow? Yes, when you become taller. How you become taller? When you become taller, it's mean you are taking good amount of healthy food. If you are not taking good amount of healthy food, it's mean you will no grow taller. Got my point? So always eat fresh and healthy food which help us to grow strong and healthy. Strong and healthy. Human beings need energy to work. I have given you definition of energy. The power of doing anything is called energy. If we don't have energy, so we are not able for doing any type of work. And why this happened? This happened due to the lack of food. Due to the lack of food. When we eat too little food, it's mean we have less amount of energy in our body. So we try to eat always fresh food, which is good for us. Fresh and healthy food help us to grow strong and healthy. Strong and healthy. Got my point? Now here is importance of food. Why we eat food? As I have discussed with you that we have need food for energy. Importance of food. I am discussing here about the importance of food. We need food to live and grow. We need food to live and grow. Live, live. If we want to live, we need to eat always healthy and fresh food and grow, become taller. It makes us strong and healthy. Food makes us strong and healthy. And which type of food makes us strong and healthy? Healthy and fresh food makes us strong and healthy. Look at this boy. He is looking very healthy and he is showing you that he is very healthy. And why he is healthy? Because he always eat fresh food, healthy food. He is enjoying life. Why he is enjoying life? Because he has good amount of energy inside his body. And why he has energy? Because he eats always eat fresh and healthy food. Look at this boy. What he is doing? Observe this picture. What he is doing? I think he is eating banana. What do you think about banana? Banana is healthy food? Yes, banana is fruit and fruit is always healthy food. Fruit is always healthy food. Look at this boy. He is strong and healthy. Why? Because he eat healthy and fresh food. Both are playing. Girl, boy, a girl and boy playing. Why is both are playing? Both are playing because they all, both have energy. And from where they get energy? They get energy from food. Both always eat fresh and healthy food. Food, it gives us energy. Who give us energy? Food gives us energy. Who gives us energy? Food gives us energy. Okay? Food gives us energy. Energy, the power of doing anything, the ability to do anything. Continuously, I am telling you that when we eat too little food, it's mean we have lack of energy. And we eat too much food, we will become unhealthy. We will become unhealthy, sick. Got my point? Unhealthy and sick. We will become unhealthy and sick. Kids healthy eating plate. Now I am showing you here some healthy items. This is for you. You must eat all the things. You must add all the things in your daily routine. Okay, what are the things? Number one, vegetables, fruits, healthy protein. Healthy protein, meat, fish, eggs, grains, nuts, whole grains, rice. Okay, water. Your body, your body need water also. You know very well. When you drink, when you drink little amount of water, your body will be become sick. Okay, so try to drink more water. And nowadays, you know, it's a very peak time of summer, so you have to drink more amount of water. Okay, dairy, dairy, here is the dairy product. For example, you try to eat yogurt, dahi, yogurt, dahi, butter. Okay, dairy products are yogurt, butter, cream. Okay, all the things are very important for your healthy lifestyle. If you want to be a healthy lifestyle, if you want to be a healthy man, if you want to be a healthy person in your family, so you have to eat all these things, but not at a one time. You want to try all the things at one time. Mama gives me vegetables, fruits, and healthy protein. Now I wanna eat all the things at one time. No, no. Try to eat good amount of food, not little amount of food, not much amount of food. Okay, it will be it will be medium. Try to eat good amount of food. Okay, healthy oils, vegetables, fruits, healthy protein, whole grains, water and dairy products. All the things makes your life healthy. Now this time is conclusion time. In this conclusion time, I am sum up all the unit number 4. Human being need food to stay alive. As you know that I am giving example human being, and who are human being? We are human being, boys, girls, men, women, babies, all human being. And human being need food to stay alive. We all need to food to stay alive. Food gives us energy. Yes, food gives us energy. Who give us energy? Food give us energy, and energy is the power for doing anything, for doing any task. We need energy. For doing any task, we need energy. And from where we get energy? We get energy by food. We need to look after our bodies so we can be healthy and strong. We have to be look after our bodies so we can be healthy and strong. How you can look after your body? You can look after your body good amount of by eating good amount of fresh and healthy food. Remaining topic I will discuss with you tomorrow. Today I am discussing here unit number 4, healthcare, page number 17. and the remaining page 18 and 19 I will discuss with you tomorrow. Okay? Okay. Now I am giving you one more time explanation about unit healthcare. Understand about healthcare that we need to look after our bodies, so we can be healthy and strong. Okay? Look at this picture. A boy having milk, apple, orange, banana. Broccoli is a vegetable. Carrot, radish, cucumber. Vegetables, milk, fruits. Gives you healthy lifestyle. These all are healthy food. As I have discussed with you, why do we need to eat healthy food? Just as a car needs petrol to run, we also need fuel. Okay, we have also need fuel. And what is the fuel for our body? Food is the fuel, and healthy food. It must be healthy. Healthy food is the fuel which gives us energy to work. Now the time for energy. Ability to do what is called energy. Ability to do what is called energy. Ability, power. Ability, power. The power for doing any task is called energy. Is called energy. And from where you get energy? You get energy by healthy food. By healthy food. I like this picture. Do you like it? Yes. Why I like it? Because in this picture, all are doing something and they are using their energy. And where they get all energy? They get all energy from their food because they all have eaten food. Okay, now one more line, the ability to do what, which basically means the ability to do things like eat, drink, breathe, and think. These all function we complete by the energy. When we have energy, definitely we are able for doing anything. And if we don't have energy, so how can we able for doing anything? When we eat too little food, can we be able for doing any task? No, we are not able. So try to eat, all of you, always healthy and good amount of healthy and fresh food. Not eat too much food. It is also not good for your health. When you eat too much amount of food, you will become sick. You will become unhealthy. So always try to eat good amount of fresh and healthy food. Human beings need energy to work. This is the full plate of healthy food, as I have shared with you. Food gives us energy to work, think, and play. When we eat foods, definitely we get energy and we are able to doing any type of work, think, and play. Things, things comes in your mind when you are healthy. So healthy thinkings will come in your mind. Okay, so always try to eat healthy food. Eating fresh food is good for us. As I have shared with you, always eat fresh food because this is very good for all of us. Fresh and healthy food help us to grow strong and healthy. Okay, fresh and healthy food, and healthy and fresh foods are picture here. If you have anyone concerned, teacher, what is healthy food? So these all things are healthy food. These all things are healthy foods also. These all things are healthy food also. Try to eat all the things. Try to eat all the things. Okay? Importance of food. We need food to live and grow. We need food to live and grow. It makes us strong and healthy. It gives us energy. Why they all are enjoying their life? Because they have good amount of energy. And from where they get energy? They get energy from healthy and fresh food. Conclusion: I already sum up all the lines. Now I am giving you the famous health quote. Look at this picture: watermelon, apple, mango, banana. They all are enjoying. They are saying you something. What are all fruits saying you? They are saying you that those who have no time for healthy eating, those people who have no time for healthy eating will sooner or later have to find time for illness. Oh, what he is saying, what all fruits are saying to you, all fruits are saying to you, those who have no time for healthy eating, those people who always eat unhealthy food, they will sooner or later have to for time for illness. Okay, they will be ill if they have no time for their health. Okay, got my point? And who said these words? Raw Edward Stanley. Now the time for home task. Get ready for the home task screenshot. Take the screenshot of your home task. This is your book, page number 20. Page number 20. Listen my instruction carefully. What am I telling you? Look at this picture of page number 20 and you have your books also in your hand, so you can open your book. I am telling you that in your book, just question number 1 and 2. Today I am giving you page number 20, but in page number 20, just you will complete question number 1 and 2. This is your home task. 1 and 2. No need completing question number 3 and exercise B right now, because 3 and B I will give you tomorrow. Okay? Today I am just giving you book exercise page number 20 and exercise A question number 1 and 2. Just question number 1 and 2 is today your home task. No need of completing question number 3 and exercise B today. I will give you question number 3 and B tomorrow. Define energy. Answer on slide number 4. As I have shared with you, that is a very simple definition of energy, but I am showing you this slide. Okay, the ability to do work is called energy. You can take the screenshot and you can write, this is very small definition. This is very small definition. Write any 6 healthy food name. Okay, you can write it by yourself. Any one healthy food name you will write by yourself. Okay, question number 4, write any 6 fruits and vegetables name. Write any 6 fruits and vegetables name. It's also up to you. You can write any one 6 fruits and vegetables name. Got my point? Question number 5. After completing question number 2, 3, 4, 5, you will complete question number 5, which is about draw any 2 fruits and vegetable and name them. Okay, you will draw on one page 2 fruit and second page 2 vegetables and also write their name. Okay, if you have right now anyone concern and question, so you can inbox me, you can chat me. Okay class, now book page number, book exercise, book page number you will just complete in your book. No need of writing book pages in your copy, just write down in your books. Okay, question number 2, 3, 4, 5 you will complete in your copy.